But if you're starting fresh, you'll need to create a new one. Responsible AI ensures that artificial intelligence systems are designed, deployed, and used in secure, ethical, and legal ways. However, there are key challenges and risks that come with AI, often leading to unintended consequences. AI systems can produce biased results. For example, a loan approval system that mainly rejects applicants from a particular demographic, overlooking certain scenarios during development that can lead to harmful errors. For example, a self driving car misidentifies an obstacle, causing a collision. Undetected vulnerabilities can allow hackers to exploit systems, risking exposure of private data. For example, personal data like passports or medical records being compromised. In addition, not all AI systems are user friendly, especially for visually impaired or disabled users. An example would be banking or healthcare systems that lack adequate accessibility features. Users also often distrust AI systems that deliver unexplainable results. An example would be black box systems, where the reasoning behind outputs remains unclear. Finally, when AI systems fail, it's often unclear who is responsible for fixing the problem. For example, open source AI tools that enable misuse, like creating deepfakes, without clear accountability. Without a responsible AI policy, companies risk lawsuits, fines, loss of trust, and damage to their brand reputation. Microsoft follows six responsible AI principles: fairness, reliability and safety, privacy and security, inclusiveness, transparency, and accountability. In the upcoming videos, we'll explore these principles in more detail, sharing tips from the Microsoft Responsible AI Standard Guide. You can access this guide in more detail through this link. AI systems should treat everyone fairly, providing equal treatment regardless of race, gender, ancestry, or any other demographic factors. Imagine you're creating a machine learning model to support loan approvals for a bank. The goal is for the model to decide fairly without bias whether a loan should be approved or not. Biases based on factors like gender or ethnicity can lead to unfair advantages or disadvantages for specific groups. When we talk about fairness, it's essential to understand the potential harm that bias can cause. An AI system might perform well for one group but poorly for another. For example, a voice recognition system might work better for men than for women. AI systems can also unintentionally grant or withhold opportunities, resources, or information. In areas like hiring, school admissions, and lending, models might favor one group over others in selecting the best candidates. Some AI systems can even stereotype or underrepresent certain groups. For instance, a model creating images of professionals might mainly depict white males in leadership roles, sidelining women and people of color. To address and mitigate bias in AI systems, consider the following steps. Ensure that everyone in the organization understands fairness in AI and how to prevent biased outcomes. We regularly analyze our AI systems to identify potential risks and groups that might be disproportionately affected. You need to make sure that your training data represents all demographics, preventing historical biases from creeping into the model. We conduct frequent audits to spot and address biases, examining model outputs across various demographic groups. We may also want to include diverse perspectives by involving social scientists, ethics, and domain experts in the development process. By understanding and addressing bias, we can build AI systems that are fair, more inclusive, and more effective. AI systems must perform reliably and safely, ensuring consistent operation 24 by 7 across different conditions. For instance, an AI powered system in an autonomous vehicle or a machine learning model diagnosing patient symptoms must be dependable, as any unreliability can pose significant risks to human life. To achieve this, it's crucial to guide your team on building reliable and safe AI systems. This involves several key practices. First, we clearly define safety and reliability standards, including acceptable error rates. Establishing targets and permissible failure rates helps set clear expectations. Second, we ensure that training and test data cover a comprehensive range of scenarios, which strengthens the system's ability to handle real world situations. Third, we determine critical factors that impact the system's reliability and safety. We need to understand how the system should be used under normal operating conditions. Finally, we develop and execute a detailed test plan. We document the results to provide transparency about the system's capabilities and limitations. Sharing these insights with stakeholders ensures they understand the system's true performance boundaries. When failures occur, having a predefined issue resolution plan is essential. We should identify common errors and their causes, along with how they affect stakeholders. This helps in preparing responses for known issues. We then document a clear process for resolving both predictable and new issues, ensuring the team is ready to act when errors arise. Finally, we equip system owners, developers, and support teams with the knowledge to address predictable errors and manage new unpredictable issues effectively. To maintain high performance, a robust monitoring strategy is also needed. Tools must be set up to track system performance and allow stakeholders to report concerns. This ensures issues are identified and addressed swiftly. Procedures for troubleshooting, prioritizing issues, and establishing escalation processes for effective resolution must be well defined. New use cases and operational factors are regularly assessed. Customer documentation to maintain transparency on system capabilities and limitations are also updated. In conclusion, designing, building, and deploying AI systems that perform reliably and safely is an ongoing process. While perfection may be the goal, being prepared with a robust monitoring and a clear troubleshooting plan ensures that issues can be quickly identified and resolved. Ensuring the security and privacy of AI systems is crucial. Protecting user data and using it ethically builds trust and prevents unauthorized access or misuse. Machine learning models rely on large datasets, which often contain personal information that must be kept private. Even after a system is in production, security and privacy need to be maintained. As new data is used for predictions, safeguarding both the data and the resulting actions is essential. Here are key tips to keep AI systems secure. Use multi-factor authentication, MFA, to add an extra layer of security. For example, Microsoft Entra ID requires users to enter a password and a 6-digit code from an authenticator app. This ensures account safety even if a password is compromised. Encrypt data both in transit and at rest to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Azure, for instance, encrypts data automatically, preventing unauthorized users from reading it. Limit access to data based on roles. We call this role-based access control. For instance, salespeople should not have access to HR data like salaries, and HR staff should not see confidential sales plans. Give users access only to the data and resources they need. We call this the principle of least privilege. For example, junior salespeople don't need access to all sales plans. just the information relevant to their tasks. Regularly update software to patch vulnerabilities. Automate these updates whenever possible to guard against new security threats. Finally, conduct frequent assessments, at least quarterly, to identify vulnerabilities and assessments, at least quarterly, to identify plans, just the information relevant to their tasks. We call this the principle of least privilege. For example, based access control. For instance, salespeople should not have access to HR data like salaries, and HR staff should not see confidential sales plans. Give users access to regularly update software to patch vulnerabilities, at least quarterly, to identify vulnerabilities and ensure compliance with evolving security standards. To uphold the privacy principle, companies should focus on the following practices. First, we implement the following data best practices. Minimization means you collect only what's necessary. If a system needs a person's gender, don't ask for their age. Masking means you hide sensitive information, such as displaying only the last 4 digits of a credit card number. Anonymization means you remove personal identifiers to ensure individuals can't be traced back. For example, we convert specific ages to broader age ranges. Second, we inform users about what data is collected, how it's used, and provide options to opt out or exercise data protection rights. Third, we ensure systems meet legal requirements, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GPDR, or the California Consumer Privacy Act. Finally, we periodically review data handling practices, policies, and compliance to improve security and user trust. We aim for audits at least once a year. Securing AI systems isn't just about protecting data. It's about building trust and integrity. Implement these best practices to ensure your AI solutions are robust, ethical, and reliable. AI systems should empower and engage everyone. They should benefit all parts of society, regardless of physical ability, gender, sexual orientation, ethnicity, or other factors. One great example is Seeing AI, a free app that uses artificial intelligence to describe the visual world for individuals who are blind or have low vision. It embodies inclusive design principles by addressing diverse user needs. So, how do we design apps that are truly inclusive? Here are some key principles to consider. First, we need to recognize exclusion. We need to redefine how we think about disability. It's no longer just a personal health condition, but a mismatched interaction between a person and their environment. For example, while blindness is typically seen as the inability to see, anyone can experience blindness temporarily, like when dealing with bright sunlight that makes text on a phone screen hard to read, or when a person experiences an eye injury. Similarly, we might face hearing challenges in loud settings or find it difficult to use both hands when carrying something. Second, we need to learn from diversity. If we base decisions solely on our own biases, we risk creating products that only serve a narrow group. Instead, we must actively seek out diverse perspectives and include them in the design process. This approach ensures our solutions are useful for a wider range of people. Finally, we must seek to solve for one and extend to many. Designing for specific needs often leads to innovations that help everyone. For instance, high-contrast screen settings were created for those with vision impairments, but are now helpful in bright sunlight. Audiobooks were developed for people who are blind, yet they are now widely enjoyed by those who listen while running or driving. Voice recognition technology was initially for users with mobility issues, but now many use it for hands-free tasks. You can learn more about these 3 principles in this website. Here are a few tips to ensure inclusive design. Research and engage with users from diverse backgrounds to gather insights. Include options like larger text sizes, high contrast color schemes, screen reader compatibility, and voice commands. Ensure a clean and intuitive layout with clear icons and simple navigation. Use straightforward language, free of jargon, and offer multiple language options. Put yourself in others' shoes to understand the unique challenges faced by various users, including the elderly and people with disabilities. To dive deeper into these principles, visit Inclusive Design at Microsoft. By embedding these ideas into our development processes, we can make technology that truly empowers all. AI systems must be transparent and understandable. Key stakeholders need to be fully informed about the system's purpose, how it operates, and its limitations. For example, when developing a machine learning model for loan approvals in a bank or admissions decisions in an educational institution, it's essential to clearly communicate the role of AI. Stakeholders should know how the model generates outputs and the reasoning behind its decisions. Transparency can be broken down into three key areas. First, system intelligibility for decision making. This is ensuring that AI system outputs are clear and support stakeholder needs. It also involves understanding the system's intended use, how it makes decisions, and the risks of over-reliance. It's also vital to document how stakeholders can be evaluated to ensure they properly interpret system outputs. Second area is communication to stakeholders. Decision makers need to be informed about the system's capabilities, how it operates, and its limitations. This includes updates on new functionalities, uses, and any new information about reliability, safety, accuracy, and performance. Third area is disclosure of AI interaction. Users must be made aware when a system is using AI. Clearly label outputs as AI generated or AI assisted and include statements like this service uses AI to generate responses. In addition, use explicit consent mechanisms, such as a checkbox, to ensure users are informed and agree to the use of AI. To enhance transparency in AI systems, consider these strategies. Provide detailed documentation that explains how the system functions, including algorithms, data sources, and decision-making processes. This helps stakeholders understand both the system's strengths and limitations. Tools like Interpret ML from Microsoft Research or the Model Interpretability feature in Azure Machine Learning can help explain model decisions, making them more transparent. Disclose AI use in a straightforward manner. Statements like this service uses AI to generate responses ensure clarity. Label outputs and use checkboxes for explicit user content. Conduct regular audits and publish reports on performance and changes made to the AI system. This practice builds trust through transparency. Finally, engage stakeholders throughout the development and deployment process. Activities like workshops, Q&A sessions, and surveys can ensure diverse perspectives are considered. To summarize, transparent communication and documentation are critical to fostering trust and ensuring that AI systems are used responsibly and effectively. Accountability is crucial when it comes to AI systems. Designers and developers must operate within a clear framework of governance, ensuring their solutions meet defined ethical and legal standards. This need becomes even more critical when dealing with applications that collect private data or pose risks to human safety. Consider the impact of a healthcare provider system being hacked and leaking confidential health information, or an autonomous vehicle causing an accident. In these scenarios, someone needs to be responsible for the outcomes. Let's look at the key considerations for accountability. We need to conduct impact assessments. Organizations should regularly assess how their AI systems affect individuals, organizations, and society. These assessments ensure responsible development and use of AI, helping to anticipate and mitigate potential risks. They should be updated annually or whenever there are significant changes to the system's functionality. There should be oversight of high-risk applications. Systems that could have serious adverse effects, like those used in surveillance, military, hiring, healthcare, or law enforcement, require more rigorous oversight. Regular assessments should be conducted, with findings reported to the board for better oversight, especially considering potential legal and financial consequences. There should also be fit for purpose. Companies must maintain a comprehensive list of all AI systems they use. Each system must have clear documentation outlining its purpose, how it processes inputs and outputs, criteria for deployment, and ongoing performance monitoring. There should also be data governance and management. High quality relevant data is the foundation of any effective AI system. Documenting how data is collected, processed, and evaluated ensures transparency and helps maintain the integrity of the AI solution. Finally, there should always be human oversight. Clear guidelines should exist for how to interact with the system, interpret its behavior, and intervene when necessary. This includes understanding the limitations of AI and knowing when not to rely solely on its outputs. Ensuring accountability in AI is not just about avoiding legal repercussions. It's about building trust and promoting responsible, ethical innovation. By implementing strong governance, conducting regular assessments, and maintaining transparency, organizations can develop AI systems that serve the best interests of all stakeholders. Instead of highlighting companies that have successfully implemented responsible AI, let's first examine those that didn't and the impact it had on their businesses. In May 2023, Meta faced a record 1.2 billion euros in fines for violating GDPR rules. The issue stemmed from transferring data collected from European users to the US, breaching European Union data protection laws. In addition, Meta used public posts from Facebook to train their AI without specifying how this information was being used, other than vague claims of building and improving AI experiences. It remains unclear when data scraping began for US users. While users in Europe can opt out of data sharing, this option isn't available elsewhere. Despite outcry from users and privacy watchdogs, there's currently no way to prevent Meta AI from accessing public social media posts due to the lack of specific privacy laws in the US. Amazon developed an AI recruitment tool in 2014 that was eventually scrapped. The reason? It showed bias against female applicants. The system was trained on resumes submitted over a decade, most of which were from men, leading it to associate successful resumes with male candidates. This bias was evident in how it downgraded resumes mentioning women's activities and prioritized terms more commonly used by men. Tesla's autopilot system has been linked to at least 467 collisions, with 13 resulting in fatalities, as reported by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration in April 2024. The core issue? A critical safety gap where the system's capabilities did not match driver expectations, causing instances of driver disengagement and over-reliance on the technology. Now let's look at some responsible AI practices. Microsoft has banned US police departments from using its generative AI for facial recognition via the Azure OpenAI service. This decision came after research highlighted the risk of racial bias, particularly against people with darker skin tones. Microsoft also removed emotion recognition from their Face API in June 2022, citing concerns over bias, discrimination, and privacy. These examples illustrate the serious consequences companies can face when they fail to implement responsible AI practices, emphasizing the importance of transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI development. In previous chapters and videos, we've covered Azure Machine Learning and Azure AI. Now let's explore Microsoft's AI approach to understand the broader Microsoft AI system and how Azure ML and Azure AI fit within it. Microsoft aims to democratize AI by offering solutions and services that make AI accessible to everyone, regardless of their expertise. There are four main approaches, each requiring different levels of AI and coding skills. Microsoft Copilot brings AI to everyday tasks by embedding it directly into familiar applications like Microsoft 365 and Dynamics 365. We've seen how Copilot for Microsoft 365 and Dynamics can streamline tasks such as emails, document creation, spreadsheets, and presentations, making AI a seamless part of daily work. Copilot is designed to be fully integrated, transparent, and secure with no complex setup required. When standard Microsoft 365 or Dynamics 365 features don't meet specific business needs, the Power Platform offers low-code and no-code tools to bridge the gap. With services like Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Copilot Studio, and Power Pages, even users with limited coding experience can build reports, apps, automations, copilots, and websites. Copilot for Power Platform accelerates the development process within these tools. Azure AI provides flexibility for businesses to deploy AI solutions using pre-trained models for language, vision, document intelligence, and many more. These models help solve business challenges without needing to start from scratch. For more complex needs, businesses can also create custom models to address specific requirements. Finally, Azure Machine Learning is a platform for developing and managing custom predictive models from the ground up. When pre-trained solutions or low-code tools aren't enough, Azure Machine Learning provides the flexibility to build tailored AI models that meet unique business needs. These four approaches offer varying levels of customization and coding effort, ranging from the ease of using embedded AI features with Copilot to the full development capabilities of Azure Machine Learning. No matter your level of AI expertise, Microsoft provides solutions that empower you to harness the power of AI effectively. Now that you've learned key concepts about AI, the next question is, how do you implement AI in your business? Microsoft's Building a Foundation for AI Success, a Leader's Guide, offers a clear framework based on their experiences and insights from customers, partners, and industry leaders. The guide highlights 5 categories that create a sustainable and responsible AI strategy. First, we need to define our business strategy. We define and prioritize business needs. Identify your key challenges, whether it's boosting productivity, maximizing efficiency, or enhancing outcomes. Identify AI use cases. Once needs are clear, pinpoint use cases that align with your goals, like streamlining tasks, predictive maintenance, or innovating new products. Prioritize use cases. Rank them by business impact, feasibility, and ease of implementation. Measure value. Define what success looks like, whether it's increased productivity, cost savings, or higher revenue. Build a portfolio management plan. Regularly assess projects, ensuring that you've invested where it matters most. Second would be technology strategy. We should align technology and business strategies. Ensure your tech investments match your business goals. We then assess infrastructure. Decide between cloud, on-premises, or hybrid solutions based on your needs. Prepare your data. A solid data foundation is key for smooth AI development. Evaluate buy versus build decisions. Choose between developing in-house solutions or purchasing existing ones, and even consider hybrid options. Plan for regulatory compliance. Safeguard your AI assets and ensure compliance from the start. Third category would be AI strategy and experience. Start building a diverse team. Include experts from across the organization, business, technical, marketing, and more to bring diverse perspectives. Choose the right tools. Leverage the most suitable AI tools for your business case. Have a holistic impact measurement. Assess success across business, customer, and technical dimensions. Fourth category would be organization and culture. Assess success across business, customer, and technical dimensions. Fourth category would be organization and culture. Companies should lead from the top. Ensure leadership drives the AI vision to avoid siloed efforts. Empower diverse teams. Diversity reduces bias and promotes inclusivity. Finally, upskill your employees. Equip your workforce with the necessary AI skills and training. The last category would be AI governance. Companies should create their own responsible AI principles. Establish clear guidelines to ensure ethical and responsible AI use. We can adopt industry best practices. Microsoft's 6 responsible AI principles can serve as a model. For a more detailed understanding, check out Microsoft's 6-part blog series on AI success. Implementing AI successfully in your business involves aligning strategies, building the right team, preparing your data, and ensuring ethical practices. By following these best practices, you can create a strong foundation for sustainable and responsible AI growth. Throughout this course, we've explored the vast features of Azure AI. Now let's dive into how these tools can drive innovation across various industries. Azure AI offers several impactful solutions in healthcare. Azure AI Document Intelligence reduces time spent extracting data from research papers, databases, and experimental findings. Azure OpenAI helps researchers gain insights from vast datasets using natural language queries. Machine learning can analyze data from decentralized trials, revealing trends not visible through traditional methods. AI Vision assists in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical X-rays. AI Language processes unstructured data like patient feedback and medical records, supporting informed decision-making for doctors. In finance, Azure AI streamlines and secures operations. AI Document Intelligence automates processing of documents such as invoices, tax forms, and identity documents. Azure OpenAI boosts productivity by drafting emails, summarizing meetings, and recommending actions, all while ensuring compliance. Machine learning enhances security by detecting fraudulent transactions in real time. AI language enables solutions that answer complex questions about financial products. Retail businesses can optimize operations and enhance customer experience with Azure AI. AI Document Intelligence processes purchase orders, inventory lists, and supplier contracts. Azure OpenAI suggests products based on browsing history or past purchases. Machine learning forecasts inventory needs, improving the supply chain management. AI Vision analyzes shopper behavior through CCTV footages, providing insights on store layout and customer preferences. AI Language helps gauge customer satisfaction and brand perception by analyzing feedback. Azure AI also powers efficiency and quality in manufacturing. AI Document Intelligence handles quality inspection reports, shipping documents, and maintenance logs. Azure OpenAI captures expert knowledge to upskill the next generation of workers. Machine learning predicts production needs based on market trends, helping avoid over or understocking. AI Vision identifies product defects, ensuring quality and accuracy. The potential of Azure AI is vast. These are just a few examples. For more insights, check out the Microsoft Learn module on Transform Your Business with Microsoft AI, which covers various industries, including healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing. Learn more here. Azure AI opens up numerous career opportunities for those with AI experience, as well as for those looking to gain expertise in this exciting field. Here are some key roles to consider. AI engineers design and implement AI models and algorithms to solve specific problems. With Azure Machine Learning, they can easily handle data pre-processing, model training, evaluation, and optimization. Data scientists analyze large datasets to uncover insights and solve complex business challenges. Azure AI services enable them to identify trends and challenge assumptions, driving data driven decisions. Functional consultants are domain experts who integrate cutting edge tech solutions to meet specific needs. Adding Azure AI to their toolkit broadens their ability to deliver impactful solutions. App makers and developers enhance their applications with Azure AI, enabling the creation of smarter, more intuitive user experiences. AI consultants guide organizations in adopting AI by assessing needs, recommending Azure AI technologies, and supporting integration and deployment. AI trainers upskill teams by identifying skill gaps and delivering tailored Azure AI training programs. AI ethics specialists ensure AI systems are fair, transparent, and privacy respecting, using Azure AI and Microsoft's responsible AI practices to design ethical solutions. Solution architects can also leverage Azure AI to design scalable, secure, and compliant AI solutions that seamlessly integrate with existing systems. Azure AI knowledge isn't just for tech roles. It's also valuable for business managers who use AI insights to drive strategic decisions and operational efficiency, leading to career growth. Business analysts applying AI for data driven strategy recommendations. Marketing managers leveraging AI to analyze market trends, optimize campaigns, and understand customer behavior. Sales managers utilizing AI to identify sales opportunities and personalize sales approaches. Operation managers integrating AI for process automation, predictive maintenance, and supply chain efficiency. Finance managers enhancing forecasting, risk assessment, and investment analysis through AI driven insights. And finally, even customer service representatives using AI tools like chatbots to improve engagement and streamline customer interactions. As discussed in earlier videos, Azure AI also provides no-code solutions that allow anyone to explore its features and capabilities, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Congratulations! You've completed the course. Let's recap what we've covered. We began by exploring the fundamentals of artificial intelligence, and then we looked at various areas within AI. Machine learning is the foundation of AI systems, enabling models to learn from data and make predictions. Tools like Azure Machine Learning help in creating these models. Computer vision allows systems to interpret visual information through images and video. Azure AI Vision, Custom Vision, and AI Face offer diverse features to cater to different needs in this area. Natural language processing, NLP, enables systems to understand and respond to written or spoken language. Azure AI Language, Translator, and Speech help extract insights from natural language. Document intelligence automates the processing of large volumes of data from forms and documents. Azure AI Document Intelligence can handle both images and text documents, extracting key information. Content moderation involves monitoring and managing user generated content to ensure it complies with guidelines and regulations. Azure AI Content Safety detects harmful content across different applications. Knowledge mining extracts useful information from unstructured data to create searchable knowledge bases. Azure AI Search facilitates secure information retrieval at scale. Generative AI creates original content, such as text, images, and code. Copilot Pilots are embedded chat applications powered by generative AI to assist business users, while Azure AI Foundry allows you to build custom models. Throughout, we saw real world examples of companies leveraging Azure AI for these technologies. Next, we also dived into responsible AI, discussing why it is essential for companies. We also covered Microsoft's 6 responsible AI principles: fairness, reliability and safety, privacy and security, inclusiveness, transparency, and accountability. We shared practical tips on how to implement these principles effectively. We then explored how businesses can harness AI. We discussed Microsoft's AI approach, highlighting how Copilot is integrated into Microsoft's products to boost employee productivity. We also provided a framework for leaders to ensure AI success. And finally, we examined how AI is transforming industries and the job market, offering numerous opportunities for growth and innovation. We discussed the potential career paths that AI can open up for you. Thank you for joining this course. Now take what you've learned and explore how AI can transform your career and your business. We wish you all the best on your journey. The world of AI is vast and ever evolving, offering endless opportunities to learn. Microsoft helps you stay ahead by providing comprehensive documentation, hands on training, and certifications that maximize your use of their products. If you're approaching AI from a business perspective, start with the Transform Your Business with Microsoft AI Learning Path on Microsoft Learn. These modules guide business leaders through adopting AI, from planning and strategy to scaling projects responsibly. For deeper insights, you may explore the 6-part blog series on building a foundation for AI success. This details the core pillars for AI implementation. Stay updated on advancements by following the Microsoft AI blog, which covers new technologies, practical applications, and expert insights. For real world examples, visit customers.microsoft.com to see how companies are using Microsoft AI services to drive transformation. For those focused on technical AI, dive into the Azure AI Services documentation. Start with what's most relevant to your needs. Generative AI, for example, is currently gaining a lot of attention. Microsoft Learn also offers a comprehensive list of services to explore. Certifications are also a great way to validate your skills. You may want to start with the Azure AI Fundamentals, which introduces core concepts and paves the way to more advanced certifications like AI engineering and data engineering. For those seeking a challenge, the Azure AI Engineer Associate certification showcases your ability to build, manage, and deploy AI solutions on Azure. Additionally, the Applied Skills certifications in areas like NLP, computer vision, and generative AI provide hands-on scenario-based training along with badges to showcase your skills. Finally, you may want to bookmark Microsoft Learn. It's your hub for everything AI. From technical documentation to interactive code samples and Q&A, it's designed to help you learn by doing and staying updated on the latest developments.